tug. Yep. Not gonna move. I know, I see it. Coming at it again. Holy geez, you're strong, you're pulling the truck. We clear? I go. She's coming. Do I got clearance in the back? Like, where do I gotta go here?
Oh yeah, you got clearance.
That's heavy.
If you shorten it up, you'll probably have more torque after that.
Yeah, we can do that.
It's the old mighty city truck. Now it's a work truck. Country stump, city truck. In the country, city country truck.
See how this works. So we gotta go out of here. And where are we taking it? Down to the shore?
Sure.
Okay. Then we're gonna go down in behind the house and take her down to the beach. So we're gonna see how this works. Here we go. We're jammed in some trees. We'll give her a yank. We're sideways. Holy fuck. Holy frig. That was something. Couldn't hold on to her. Well, she's still here. But Hopefully it's not too much damage to the lawn. We'll go see what's going on there. We're gonna go see. Yeah. So this is our mighty stump that we pulled out with the city truck. Well, sorta. Not just a pretty looking thing, I guess. I had to give her one heck of a yank back there. That shouldn't do too much. As long as I go slow, I think, it'll just make a little groove. Because like the faster I go, the more it takes, I think, to stick to one side. We'll try her for now. Okay. Probably I had it right sideways.
I know.
Ha! Ah! Gonna screw up the golf course. She's being a stubborn thing.
Turn it into a country truck with its country stump. That's how you get rid of a stubborn old stump. Do you still have your snowmobile?
Yeah.
Come down here, be careful.
My poor toe strap took a grinding off of a tree. She's she might do a couple more toes, but she's getting slim. Got a couple more trees we gotta pull out. That's just one. So what's going on is that a couple big windstorms came through last year, one this year and one last year, and it blew down a pile of trees. So last year we probably lost 30 or 40, and this year we lost an equivalent amount, I guess. Another 30 or 40, but we're just towing things around and trying to clean up. So we got a tree over there that's down.
I don't know if that's on my
We
side.
got another, yeah, we'll still pull it out. We got a few more over there in the woods, a couple that are falling over.
Yeah.
And then if you look way over this way, let's see if we can't, there's more over that way. Can't really see.
Yeah, anyway, that's been playing with this also. Off and on. Spring.
So we got another tree over there. Look over this way, you see all the trees that are leaned over. Couple more over here.
And there need to be.
Couple other big ones over there. A couple of them fell on the power lines. Another one there. We got more over this way. They're just everywhere. 30 years, never seen any of the trees fall. This year and last year, they've just been falling left, right, and center. And if we look right here where this little opening is, these were all trees. This was all trees. And one windstorm come through, made this little trail right through the woods. And it was probably just as thick as those trees there. And it opened up this whole gap.
Would it have been a windstorm or a...
No, it was a
what do you call
windstorm.
those,
Tornado?
Tornadoes.
Could have been a tornado, but no one was up to witness it. We got more trees there, all falling over.
Leaning this side.
They're all leaning there. Another one up here, a couple up here.
Yeah,
Just uprooted everything. Alright, you guys a better, closer look. So this tree here fell, that tree there fell, and it got electrocuted, hit the power line that was up there. So that was right across the road. And we got some widowmakers here, just hanging in the tree, some branches. Kind of scary. So we gotta get these out. Just uprooted it. Soil's really, really dry. Like, well, I guess that's a root, but soil there is pretty dry, pretty sandy. Another one here, another one over there, a couple of them there. Yes, honey? Hello? Then we got one here, another one down over there where Joey and Gordon are coming. Got this one here that we're gonna pull down before my tow strap lets go. So I think I gotta, but you see all in here, like all back in there, it's just nothing but trees that fell down. One here, one there, a couple stumps. Everything's just coming up and out of the ground. Like this was all trees in here before. There's another one down over in there. I don't know if you guys can see it, I'll try and focus. But right over in there, there's a couple that are leaning over. Another one there that's uprooted. Got our work cut out. Oh, well, that's the other one on the other side of the road. You want me to pull these out so we can get in? We got co-pilots. Oh. Gotta put her in gear. See if we can't back down in the woods. Yeah, got a lot to do. I think I'm clear back there. We'll know if we hit a tree, right?
Yeah.
The almighty country truck now is a scooter. Look at that. Way up there.
Alright, so we got another uprooted tree that we cut. It's pretty big. I'm gonna see if the old Ford gonna holler. I mean, I don't got the knobbiest tires there, but I mean they're somewhat aggressive, but can pull a tree, I guess. Not bad. Had a hard time with that stump. Another uprooted tree here. And a yank her out. Pull her across the driveway and into the other side. So we got her across. Hooked this tree here, and it kicked me sideways, and it was some close to necking. She's got a tight little squeeze there. I don't think I got her. No, she's still good. Oh, what's this? Oh, nothing. She's mint, bud. She's mint. So we're got quite a bit cleaned up, quite a bit hauled out. Time for supper, so we're gonna have some supper and enjoy the view and relax for a few minutes, and then get back at her before dark, and then head back home. Alright, so if you guys haven't already and you'd like to, please subscribe. We'll see you guys all next time.
Get back here. Now that's a beast of a truck. That's Uncle Jason's truck. I think it's a 2012 Ford F150. Nice truck. Who says the Ford can't work, eh? Even if it's a city truck. What the hell, hey, look at that. That's proof right there. Freaking right. For all those Ford lovers out there, that one's for you.